how you can download and configure your Valorant tracker. Now, to do that, first you need to open the Valorant Tracker website. To do that, just go to our browser and type Valorant Tracker and open the first link that comes up. After you've done that, on the top right, you will see the option that says Get the apps. Now download the Valorant Tracker. You can see the download option here. Just download it. After you've downloaded it, open it up. After you've opened it up, you just need to click on Next, accept the terms and terms of uses, and just click on Next, and then let it download. What the Valorant Tracker app does is it allows you to view the stats of all your opponents when you're playing a game. Now, after you've installed Valorant Tracker, launch it, and then just click on Next and finish. Now, there you can see your first Valorant Tracker page. Now, after you've opened up your Valorant Tracker, be sure that you have enabled all the necessary app settings according to your necessity, and then you're good to go. So this is how you install and use Valorant Tracker on your PC. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then check out more of our videos. Thank you for watching.